Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So essentially I will be speaking about a new application that has been developed as a result of some techniques that we've been looking at. So a potential, well not a potential, a client actually came up to me and asked me about quick buying for new pairs. I think he saw one of my other videos and was looking for something custom in order for him to be able to quick buy and sell new tokens, as well as add an extra feature which is going to be quite interesting. And so we created a custom solution for him, and now we're going to release it to the public. So I think this is quite interesting. This is going to be a quick demo on how it works, etc. But let me start from the beginning. So the customer was interested in scanning for new pairs and being able to scan for new pairs quickly, like faster than Photon, faster than Bullex, etc. So as you can see, this kind of loads up, but there's some information that's missing. So for example, if they have Twitter tech, Twitter, or you know all this information here, you kind of have to go over it in order to see the information. But we created a solution that just allows you to see it as it is, as opposed to as a link. And I think that gives you like a better understanding, or a better vision of what's going on while you're in real time. So this is the application. It's we call it Hermes, or the Whale Sniper distribution bot. And what it essentially does is will allow you to basically scan new pairs, quick buy new pairs, etc., etc. So let me start by just going to settings, because you need to set in your slippage. Let's say I'm going to set like a 10% slippage. My quick buy amount is going to be 0.01. My RPC URL, I'll have to get that. Okay, so once you put in your information here, then you can save the settings, and then we can start looking at some things. So first of all, we can scan new pairs. So scanning new pairs will allow us to be able to see what's coming out in the market. And as you can see, you have the full URL for each of these new pairs. So why is this important? Well, I think with Photon and Bullex, sometimes you might want to ape into a coin, but you don't have full context, right? So many of the things that I look for are whether the user uses the same social media for each, and then after that, we also just want to make sure that we are aware of what, if there is any social media at all. And so from here, if I wanted to quick buy this, I could just click here to quick buy. All right, so I didn't have my wallet funded, so I need to so funded the wallet now. Let's try this again. Okay, so looking for a token. Let's I'm seeing a YouTube video for Flappy Bird. This kind of looks interesting. I'll have a look at this real quick before I decide to buy. Oh, this is just some random Flappy Bird coin talking about Flappy Bird and the world record. So let's say I'm into this, I'm a DJ and I want to click and quick buy this. So we attempt to quick buy, and within quick buy we should be able to see, if you look at the transaction information, you can see that we just quick bought, and there it is right there. So let's say I wanted to sell this, so I could just copy the address here, and I can come here and sell 100%. So click that to sell 100%, and I can confirm this by just going to my wallet. There we go. So there we have the sell. It just came through and confirmed. So yeah, so buy and sell like that, quick buy and quick sell like that. So now let's look at some other interesting features that you can also do a custom buy. So if you want to not just quick buy with your inputted amount here, so I'm quick buying 0.01 here, but you can change this to whatever value you want to quick buy. And then you can come to the manage wallet section. So here is actually very interesting. In this manage wallet section, what you can do is, if let's say you believe in a coin, right, and you wants to be able to market it or push the coin along with the dev or whoever, or like so that other people can join, so that other people can you know, you can market the coin essentially. What you can do is that you can take the buy that you have here and then you can split them between 20 wallets, or any amount of wallets that you want, right? So now let's try and do that. So let's say we've already sold this one, so we have to quick buy something else, and then I can show you. Yeah, so let's look for something to buy so I can show you the manage wallet section. So let's just randomly buy this coin, and then search for the response. We've seen a response here for this SPL token that's just been created. So now that we have this token available here, we're going to go to manage wallets, and we're going to split. So first of all, we can check the balance of the token that we bought from the dev wallet or the main wallet, and check if it's available here. It won't be, so I guess we can ignore that for now because we just bought the token. But let's say you know, the token that I just bought, this one, Pumpkin, say I wanted to split it between the wallets here. So what we can do first of all is probably bring up the pump.fun for this wallet, or for this token. I think it's just us here. I don't see somebody else involved. But let's say we wanted to split. So now we can do this where we just split main wallet tokens. And that should send all of the tokens to our sub wallets. So that should send all the tokens to our sub wallets. Yeah. Oh, you can also see that that all of these wallets here have now joined this pump.fun token. So you can see all the holders are basically just gone up from the split that we just did. So now we can check the balance of each. If we click here and check balance, you can see that each of the wallets has a distributed amount equal to 20 divided by the amount that we just bought initially. And so from here we can, you know, we've essentially turned the number of holders from 1 to 20, and so that sort of brings more eyes to the project, etc., that sort of stuff. So it's an interesting marketing tactic, especially if you have size. You can definitely use this to your advantage, CTO a coin, things like that. So that's interesting. Now let's say we wanted to recall all of this information back. So let's recall all the tokens back to the original main wallet. So if we click recall here, it should allow us to recall all of the tokens back to our main wallet. Yeah, so it's transferring all the funds back to the main wallet now, and you'll see. So you'll see the transactions are kind of divided. So with all the wallets that we have here, these wallets all interact with like one of these here, and so we have multiple transactions happening. As you can see, less than Memeco. And so these are just recalling all the funds back to the main wallet. And so we can actually check the main wallet funds here, where you'll be able to see like what sort of tokens you hold and how much of them you hold. We can actually check as well. So you can see initially we had about, I think, 17,000 in each wallet. So now we can check if these tokens still hold this balance, and how much they hold. So you can see these all own 0 now, which means that all the tokens have been sent back to the main wallet. And yeah, but you can see now that you've taken all the money out of these distributed wallets, you can just sell everything. So let's say we wanted to sell everything now, we could just go here and then we could just sell the 100% right here. And there we go. You see, everything has been sold. It went from 99 to 100%. So now we don't own any of this anymore. So yeah. So yeah, if you'd like access to this tool, you can just join the Discord and send me a message, and yeah, we'll take it from there. If you would like to work on any custom solutions, anything interesting, any sort of strategies that you'd like to implement, we also do build custom solutions for our clients. So, yep, that'll be all, and see you in the next video. Peace.